What's up, marketers and entrepreneurs? Rod checking in. Wanted to bring you guys another video today. We're going to talk about passive income via YouTube, guys. I know a lot of you guys like YouTube. A lot of you guys like passive income. A lot of you guys trying to figure out how you can leverage YouTube to get passive income. I got 3 talking points I'm going to cover today. I want to kind of get you started with those. Obviously, there's more than 3 strategies, 3 ways to get your passive income from YouTube going. So what I'm going to do, guys, why it's free, go ahead and sign up for the 7-step digital marketing guide that's going to really take your YouTube and your passive income to the next level. Go ahead and sign up. I have links in the description box. Go ahead and sign up while it's free. You guys can jump on that. So passive income. A lot of you guys want to start your passive income. You see all of the online ads as far as just being on the beach, drinking a margarita and seeing with your laptop, just seeing money coming in, which you can get to that point, but it's going to take some work, and it's going to take you guys being strategic about what you got to do to really put yourself in a position to make that passive income. YouTube is a critical resource in making that happen, and YouTube can really put you in a position to win. So number 1 point, guys, no content, no income. So a lot of you guys think you can come on YouTube, don't put any videos, don't put anything up and expect to just put in canned responses or canned content up here and expect that to work. No, you got to start a brand. You got to build content. Content builds trust. You can do this while you sleep. You can create a video. That video plays all the time, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even while you sleep. YouTube, depending on what type of content you create, they will promote your content. They will put your content in front of people who have problems that you can solve. This is something that you can do passively, guys, and you can go ahead and get those sign-ups. You can get people to trust you, just like I'm doing now. My 7-step guide, I'm getting you guys to sign up for that so that you can find the niche that you need. Just say gardening, right? You can create you a garden channel, or create you a photography channel, create these videos, start doing tutorials, instructions, providing guides. Guys, you can do this, upload that video, and you can go off and do something else. That video is going to be working for you in the background. YouTube has that level of power. The best way to gain gain the trust of somebody is through visual video. They see you, they look at your body language, they hear your voice, they see you, they can the gestures, your tonality. There's so much stuff you can do on YouTube that you can't do from other platforms. Let's leverage that content. Let's put it in a way where you can put that video out there and then you can make money while you sleep. The best feeling in the world, wake up in the morning and see somebody purchase your course, somebody consuming your content. You're helping people without having to be in front of them. Obviously, at some point, you want to engage with them. You want to do meetups and chats and provide customer service. But for the most part, you can, and I repeat, you can make money passively via YouTube. It's a very powerful tool, guys. So number 2, do not follow trends. I know it's tempting to see trends going on and to create videos and content around those trends, but stick with your niche, stick with what makes you unique, and follow that strategy to the T. Obviously, you're gonna have 1 or 2 pieces of content that you can make money via other sources or other topics, but you want 95% of your content to really get put in a position so that you can make money in a certain niche. Trends are okay, guys, if you position yourself accordingly, but don't necessarily run to the trends. Don't follow the trends. If for some reason your niche has a trendy topic and you already talk about that, and you can position yourself to be an authority for that trend and leverage that for that meantime, go ahead and do that. But don't chase it. Don't switch your content, your strategies around trying to follow or follow trends. That's not going to work, guys. Trust me. You may even get to the point where you're getting traffic from the trends, but you're going to quickly find out that trends are trends for a reason. People tend to move forward from trends. How many people, what was the things, the fidget spinners? A lot of people got rich off of those. I guarantee you, some poor guy somewhere had a whole inventory or went off and leveraged his whole house for fidget spinners towards the end of that trend, and now they're going bankrupt because they've been following those trends. Trends create work. Trends create processes that just not replicatable. You need replicatable when you're dealing with passive income, guys. Do not follow trends. Passive income, you get the people come to you inbound. Yeah, you do a little outbound here and there, but most of it's passive income. You come in, they see your ads, they see that you like this specific topic, they have a need or a problem in that topic. Guess where they gonna come to in the future? You. Guess who they went to for trends in the past? They don't know because they don't remember. Trends are like that. There's no branding involved. So guys, keep that in mind. So guys, stay away from trends. Number 3, solve problems in evergreen problems. Evergreen problems are the main source of passive income. If, and I mean if, you have passive income and you solve a problem, if you solve it in an evergreen niche, you're gonna make money year after year after year. Health, wealth, and finance, those are the main ones, but there are tons more, guys. Again, go check out that 7-step guide. We have trends that's not trends. We have niches that's gonna help you guys make that money over and over and over again in those evergreen niches. And that's the master, or that's the core reason passive income works, because people are going to always have this issue with weight loss. People are going to always have issues with cameras and trying to get the best shots and how to tell stories. People are always going to have a need for gardening, for software development, for technology. All of these needs are going to exist 5, 10 to 20 years from now. The question is what type of content is going to be available to help them solve that problem, and that's where you come in with your passive income, guys. It's so important that you position yourself for this passive income and pick that niche. So guys, I don't want to make my content too general. I want you guys to go ahead and position yourself for success. So what I need you to do, we need you to start making content. First of all, have you pick your niche. What's your objective? Are you trying to get a job? Are you trying to start a business? Are you trying to do freelance? Once you do that, pick your niche. Get that income coming in so that you can take care of your bills. First of all, we're going to say this is your bills, this is your first priority. Make sure you got food on the table. Make sure you can survive. So we got that. Number 1 right there. Number 2, now you want to start that passive income so that you can start making money while you sleep. Active income, passive income. At first, this is going to be growing right here. It requires your time, and it's going to require you to be there, which is okay. That's the plan. Number 2, passive income. We want this to grow as much as possible because it don't require our time after we do the initial setup. We want this to grow as much as possible. We want to position it to grow as much, and by doing these 3 things, it's going to position you for passive income in the future. So guys, I urge you to really start prioritizing your passive income. Let's get your active income squared away so that you can start making money with your skills, your knowledge, whatever business or job you're going to do to take care of that active income, and then we want to start positioning ourselves for more and more passive income over time. It's going to be slow at the beginning, but over time you're going to see yourself win in the passive income portion of your income. It's going to grow. It's definitely going to become your favorite, because guess what? You don't have to do much to keep it going. Once you get it going, once that snowball start rolling, and you get it off the ground, you get everything stable, your brain's working for you, your technology's working for you, your content's working for you, all those things that you're doing on YouTube is gonna start working for you, and you're gonna be amazed how much of that's gonna be automated after you set these processes and procedure. Guys, I can hit this passive income YouTube strategy in a lot of different ways, but I want to see, what are you having problems with? What are you doing on YouTube to set up your passive income? Comment below. Give me your story. What are you having problems with? How much money are you making? Are you making anything? Go ahead and comment below. So guys, I need you to do two things. Number one, go sign up for the 7-step guide if you haven't already done that. And number two, I need you to like and subscribe to this channel and like this video. So guys, do that for me, and let's start making our passive income and taking that to the next level. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.